Hi friends, let me show you this new Hauschen lighted medicine cabinet. It is a great option for your restroom where you want to have light for your personal convenience and a way to keep medicine or any kind of toiletry in your cabinet. Let's put it together and install it. Come on.
The assembly process of this mirror is actually really simple. All the instructions are really clear, and what I think that it's great about it is that in the box you get everything that you're gonna need to do the assembly, which I think that it's great. It doesn't take that much long, and all the instructions are really clear, so you ain't gonna have any trouble installing it. You can do it all by yourself or with help of someone, which I think that it makes it easier to do the installation process. All the pieces comes with labels so you know which part is going to go in which space, and you need to do the electric and wiring to get the mirror turn on the lights, which I think that it's simple. You just need to do the links once you have it all assembled up, and then you can just hang it around, secure it, and use the proper hinges that comes included to attach the mirror.
Friends, as you can see, we already installed our cabinet. We can store here medicines, toiletries, soaps, creams, whatever you need. And this dial style knob will turn on and off the light, and you can change the temperature with this dial from cold to warm colors. As you can see, it has a really nice size, and you have really handy, easy to reach all the things that you use in the bathroom. Okay, so if you are looking to change your restroom or bathroom mirror, this lighted option with the cabinet, it's a great option for you, for your home, for your office, everywhere you have a restroom, a toilet, and you want to have your things available. Thank you.